Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create logo transparent in CapCut PC. Right, so you can import your logo, and for example I'm just going to add the CapCut logo to my video. Just select the logo and just drag and put on top another clip, which is this as an overlay, this logo overlay. So to make it transparent, go to basic and scroll down until you find the plain option. Just turn on it and select the mode of plain. You can choose the soft light and you can adjust the opacity till you find your needed, like this. And as you can see, the logo is transparent. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.